Hello children, we will do exercise 1.4 first question. In the first question, A, minus 30 divided by 10. Minus 30 is a negative number, 10 is a positive number. So we are going to divide both. You can write like this first, okay, minus 30 by 10. One bar you can put. Now, in this division, you don't consider the sign first. Only consider the numbers. What are the two numbers? 30 and 10. You know the division, right? What is 30 divided by 10? You should know the multiplication table of 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 threes are 30. So the answer is 3 by 1. You can see one 3 here. That 3 I wrote here. This bar I wrote bar. And this one I wrote it again 1. 3 divided by 1. What is 3 divided by 1? 3 divided by 1 is 3. So the answer is 3. Now coming to the sign. Different signs, right? One is negative, the other one is positive. So different sign means the answer will be negative. So we have the answer minus 3. Clear? Go into the next one. Next question is B, that is 50 divided by minus 5. Again you can rewrite the question like this, 50 by minus 5. You don't consider the sign, only numbers you have to consider. So what are the two numbers? 50 and 5. What is 50 divided by 5? You should know the table of 5, right? 5 ones are 5. 5 tens are 50. So the answer is 10 by, you have to write this by and 1. This 1 you have to write. So 10 divided by 1. Again, any number divided by 1 is the same number. That is 10 divided by 1 is 10. Now you consider the sign. Positive and negative. Different signs. Always the answer will be negative. So the answer is minus 10. Okay. Now, next. Minus 36 divided by minus 9. Again, rewrite the question like this. Don't consider the sign, only numbers. So again, 36 divided by 9. So 36 divided by 9. You should know the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. So again the answer is 4 by 1. You know what is it? 4 by 1 is what? 4. So the answer is 4. Now coming to the question, negative and negative. Same sign. Answer is always positive. So the answer is positive 4. Understood? Okay. Now next. Minus 49 divided by 49. Again rewrite the question like this. Don't consider the sign, only numbers. 49 divided by 49. Same number divided by the same number. What's the answer? 1. 1 is the answer. Now coming to the signs. Negative and positive. Positive and negative. If you divide two numbers, one is negative, the other one is positive. The answer is always negative. So the answer is minus 1. Now coming to the next question. It looks confusing, but it's easy. 13 divided by, you can see one square bracket. You will call this bracket as square bracket, okay, because it looks like a square. So 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Always do the operation inside the square bracket first. So inside the square bracket we have minus 2 plus 1. You know the addition of negative integers, positive integers and also what is minus 2 plus 1? Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So I have written the answer here minus 1. Now coming to the question, instead of minus 2 plus 1, what can you write? You have to write minus 1. So what is 13 divided by minus 1? Again, don't consider the sign, only the numbers. What is 13 divided by 1 is 13. Now coming to the sign. Positive and negative. The answer will always be negative. That is minus 13. Yeah. Now coming to the next question. 0 minus 0 divided by minus 12. 0 divided by minus 12. 0 divided by any number you take, the answer will be 0. No sign, no positive, no negative, nothing is, the answer will be 0. Okay. Now coming to the next question, that is G. Minus 31 divided by, again you can see one square bracket. So what should you do first? You should do the operation inside the square bracket first. So what will you do? Minus 30 plus minus 1. What is minus 30 plus minus 1? You know the addition of negative integers, right? The answer is minus 31. What you have to do now? So you got minus 31 as the answer. Now you should go to the question. So what is the question here? Minus 31 divided by, in this place what can you write? Minus 31 you should write. So you see here, I have written minus 31 here. Again, don't consider the signs, only divide the numbers. 31 divided by 31 is what? 1. Now coming to the question, you can see that negative and negative. So same signs again. So the answer will be positive. So our answer is plus 1. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now the last question in this exercise is minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. Again you have the square bracket. Can you see the square bracket? So you have to do the square bracket operation first. What will you do? Minus 36. You have to rewrite it like this. You know that, right? Again, don't consider what you should not consider. You should not consider the signs. You should only consider the numbers. What is 36 divided by 12? 12 ones are 12. 12 threes are 36. So the answer is 3 by 1. What is 3 by 1? 3 by 1 is 3. Now again coming to the sign. What is it? Positive divided by negative. Positive divided by negative is what? Negative. So the answer is minus 3. Okay, so you got the square bracket answer as minus 3. So coming to the question, instead of minus 36 divided by 12, what can you write? You should write minus 3. See, minus 3 divided by 3. Again, what should you do? You should not consider the number. So you should not consider the sign. You should only consider the number. So what is 3 by 3? 3 by 3 is 1. Now you should consider the sign. Negative is here, positive is here. What will be the answer? Negative 1. So that's it. Understood, children? Go through the question and answers again and again. Same operation only we are doing. You should know how this negative and positive are used in division. Okay.